Welcome to another quick review. Today, guys, I'm working in a kitchen. I'm fixing to put in all of my kitchen cabinets, and there's three basic jigs that I like to always use. One of them is going to be for setting my hardware, the pulls, either the drawers or the doors. The next one is if I'm working in the pantry, like this long pantry here, and I'm building shelves, I like to be able to drill the holes for the actual shelf. So they're adjustable. And then the last jig is going to be for setting the actual doors. And that's what this jig is here. So let's take a look at the first one. The first one is made by Jorgensen. And I use this thing all the time. You can see it's a little bit wore out, but this is an all aluminum, really awesome tool. You simply turn these, adjust it, move it to what you need, and you slide this up against it. It has little pilot places to drill out every one of my holes, whether it is a drawer or whether it is a door. Very important tool. Now the next tool is going to be the Shelf Jig tool. It's an all plastic construction, has pins for holding. They even give you all of the drill bits so that you can actually drill through the holes, and it has a stop so that it will stop at the exact correct location. So you will set that. You will be able to drill both sides of your board so that you can have movable shelves with pins. Now, the only thing this doesn't come with is the pins. You'll have to buy those separate, but a very good tool if you want adjustable shelving. Now, that can be in the pantry. You could be building the cabinets and be a cabinet builder, and you need to put adjustable shelves in. You're going to need this tool. Very important. Now, the last tool in my arsenal is going to be for setting those cabinet doors, getting the height. And it's going to have a steel plate like this. It's all aluminum. And you actually will slowly move it up to where you want, lock it into place, and you can actually set those heights. They even give you the drill bits. They give you a lot of different drill bits themselves. When I say drill bits, this is the actual Phillips head. So I use this on the impact to put the screws in. I use these to actually drill the holes out. So they have the other little inserts that you're going to need that are inside of here, kind of buried down in the plastic. You get everything you need. Very heavy tool. And this is made by a company called RUITOOL. RUITOOL, I believe is how you pronounce them. But this is the Pro Series and very well made. They go as far as even giving you a bag to put it in so that you can carry it around. So if you are doing a kitchen remodel, if you're a pro, if you're a DIYer, you really need good jigs, and you're not going to, have a problem with any one of these three jigs. And these are the ones that I use almost daily. So do yourself a favor, pick yourself up one of these today. I don't think you'll regret it. We'll see you guys on the next review.